Hi guys, just wanted to introduce ourselves. My name's Cara, this is my partner Mark. Together we run East Coast Paint and Panel in Cairns, far north Queensland. Started the business officially in July of 2015. Wasn't something we really set out to do, but here we are.
G'day everyone, just a bit of a background on where we started. I started with a good friend of mine. We were doing a bit, things grew quickly. We got pretty busy, we got Cara involved. She helped us out with all our parts and bookwork and all that sort of stuff. She's very foreign to her. She's got a background in hospitality. Business-wise, very foreign to me as well. But we bumbled our way along for the first 12 months or so. The work just kept coming in and we just kept doing it. And sooner or later, we felt that we needed somebody else, so we got a kid on. In the early stages, we seemed to just handle everything by just keeping busy, but we had no real direction of where to go or what we were doing or anything anyway. So we sought a bit of advice from people in the industry, and we wherever and whoever we could get it off. We picked bits and pieces out of it for what we thought would help us move forward. And fast forward another sort of 8 to 12 months, the business really flatlined. We were still busy, but we were working really hard, and we weren't really gaining much. We were doing a lot of car yard work, private work, resto work, a lot of the sorts of things that small shops are doing. But ultimately, being busy wasn't really making us any money. So we got talking to a few people, and we managed to rustle up a bit of fleet work. Things started to trend up again. We got more busy. We had no real idea on what we needed to do to make the most of what we were doing. So we felt we needed to shift our customer base. So look, the first thing we thought was our location. We were down in our alleyway in a little tin shed. There's spray paint on the walls, and so we thought, look, if we want the better work, we really need to get a better location and look a bit more professional. So we hunted around a bit. We found a shed which ended up being right in front of our shed anyway, so the move wasn't a big move. We got in, we painted the place, we cleaned it right up, and we felt that for the stage we were at in our business, that this was probably the perfect size shed for us. And as soon as we moved in, instantly we saw a shift in our customer demographic. We were getting a lot more insurance work. The fleet side of things picked up tenfold. We were really busy. Our average repair costs went up, so things were looking good. So it's been about 6 months now since we've been in our new location. We're at 5 staff in total now. While things are looking positive for the future, we're starting to look at what we need to do to progress things to the next stage. We started to see the work and the direction that we wanted to go. We were starting to have a bit of a vision of where we needed to go. So we need to start working on the management side of things to handle the growth and make sure we're getting the most out of what we've been doing. We've been lucky to chat to a few people in the industry along the way. Russ Hill, he's been great for us. He's put us in touch with a few people. Sam Street from the Paint and Panel magazine, she's been great as well. She's put us in touch with Ben from Maximize Profits. We've been sitting down and having a few video meetings with him and chatting to him on a regular basis. He's helping us understand our business and the things we need to do and the things we need to look at and concentrate on as we start taking the next steps forward. Another person we've been talking to is Mel from Valspar. She's been helping us out a little bit as well. We'll be working a lot more with her in the future. She's helping us put in some processes in place and stuff to help us manage our staff and the increased workloads and to get the general workshop or operations running more smoothly and efficiently. So to sum it all up, we've got a lot to learn. We're very excited for what lies ahead, and we hope to share our progress through Sam and the magazine, and hopefully we can help others that are sort of making their way along as the same way we are. And I guess we'll just keep you all posted. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.